and it was Mummy, please keep quiet. I'm saving 10 rupees. Oh my god. Lipsticks. तो हमने तो मार्स की वो बन चुकी ब्रांड एम्बेसडर. ऐसे ही आया था. ऐसे ही आया था. और हाँ. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prachi and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle category. So if you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notification every time I post a new video. So without any further ado, let's jump onto the video. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing what all products I got from Nykaa Hot Pink sale. So without any further ado, let's jump onto the video. Okay, so the very first product that I have got is in hair care. So it's Bare Anatomy anti-dandruff shampoo. So lately I have been facing a lot of dandruff issues due to the seasonal changes maybe. So this was really trending on Nykaa. So I've got this one. So let's try if it works for me or not. So this is how the bottle looks like. It costed me around 500 something and it's 250 ml. Okay, so this is the product and let's see if it works for me or not. Okay, so again I have got really few essentials that I needed. I haven't gone all out and shopped all my heart out. So these were few essentials that I needed to use or that were really required for me for my makeup and all those things. Okay, so moving on to the tools. So I have got firstly this Carmesy facial hair removal combo. So it comes with two razors. One is super precise, one for eyebrows, and the instant and painless facial hair removal. So I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, so this is the facial hair removal one. It comes with a cap, has a really nice blade. Looking forward to using this. And the next one is this precise one. This is for the eyebrow area or maybe near your lip area. You can use it. Again, it comes with a cap. The color is really pretty though of both the razors. Okay, so again it costed me under 200 rupees. So I wanted both of these because the hair comes really quickly and sometimes you really need to get rid of all the hairs. So this comes in really handy. So if you guys also want, I will try to share the review of this product if it works nice or not. So yeah, moving on to the next. Okay, so as you guys might have seen my shorts, the transition videos, the makeup looks. Okay, so what happens, the eyeshadow doesn't give that much pigments that I see in other people's makeup videos. So what I figured it out was that I was lacking a good eye primer. So I've invested in this one, that is Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. It is really expensive for this much product. So I'll show you. Okay, so this is the product. The packaging is really premium though. It's just 5 ml for, I think I paid 13 something or 1300 something. So this is how it looks. So let's see. I hope now my eye looks turn out much better and much pigmented. Okay, again you guys can see if it works or not. Obviously I've seen a lot of reviews. Everybody was suggesting this product, this particular primer, and the results were also really good. So looking forward to using this one. Okay, so moving on to the next product, that's a mascara from Mars. So I was all out of mascara. I really needed a one. So mascara is something that dries up once opened within 3 months. So I don't want it to go on for the expensive ones because we will not be able to use it so much within 3 months if we are not using it on regular basis. So I just needed a basic mascara. So I have got this one from Mars. Also I wanted to try this one. This was an affordable category and it was going viral all over. So it's because of its concept. So basically I'll show you guys. Again it comes with a nice packaging. The kajal also came with such packaging. Okay, so it has got two wands. Okay, so it says step 1 for the length. So this is how it opens and this is the wand, you guys can see. And we insert it back and close it. And for the step 2, it is for the volume. We open it and again comes the same wand. Okay, we'll then close it. Okay, if I keep the first wand out and open it, there is nothing. So it's just a marketing strategy that Mars opted for. Good marketing game, but yeah, some people got the game and they revealed all this marketing strategy. But yeah, this is fine. Let's see how it will work for my eyes and how I will like this product or not from Mars. Okay, so you can also use any mascara, just coat it twice, it will work the same way. You don't need to invest in such particular mascaras. So yeah, this is the product from Mars that I have got. The bottle is really nice though. Brownie points for the package. Okay, so I have this one product from K by Katrina, that contour stick from them. So I have used it a lot, but it has reached to a point where it needs to get sharpened, and I didn't had that broad circle sharpener, so it's just lying in my vanity just as it is. So I have finally got a sharpener where I can sharpen it and use it. That product is really creamy. K by Katrina is really nailing, and I know the products are a little on high end than the Mars and all these, but the products are really good. So yeah, now we'll sharpen the product, the contour stick, and we will use it more. Okay, moving on to the next. I really needed some eyelashes because I barely had one or two, and I have been trying to do some really good makeup looks, eye looks. So without eyelashes, the look looks really incomplete. So I have invested in these two. I know there are much better ones, but I wanted to go for the affordable options and try it. So the first one is from Mars, again a pack of 5. I have tried that one single pack, OG one, nahi, 01 OG Princess, something named with that. So that worked out really well. So I have got this pack. It has 5 different eyelashes. I will show you guys. So it has got all these 5 different types of eyelashes for different type of looks. So I have got this one, and also I have got one from Sanfei Trendy Lashes. That's instant press on lashes. Just press and go. So these does not require any glue. You just put them on top of your lashes and you can press it and you're good to go. Let's see if it will work like that or not. So I'll show you which one I have got. So this is how it looks. I really wanted one of this kind. Okay, so I was about to go or opt for those cluster eyelashes, but I found them a little on the expensive side. So I thought, why not, let's try this one. We'll try those later on. Okay, so these 2 eyelashes I have bought. Looking forward to creating much more beautiful eye looks, makeup looks, and transition videos. Okay, moving on to the next, that is lip product. I needed some lip liners because I was just having few. So I've just ordered the whole pack from Mars because I found the Mars lip liners really nice. They were so creamy, just glides on your lips so smoothly. So I've just got the whole pack of 10. I got it something for 500, something around 500 to 600 it was. Okay, moving on to the next, I have Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. I really wanted to restock this one because I was all out, but I did a mistake. I ordered the wrong shade. It's Nude Dream, but the one I wanted was Nude Twist, I think. So I did this blunder, but that's fine. We'll make use of this one as well. Let's see how we'll use this. Okay, moving on. I was all out of stock for the wet wipes, so I've ordered this one from Himalaya. I've used this one. These are really good and affordable as well. And I usually get it for 100 rupees from the store. On sale, I got it for 90, and that's really fine. Okay, moving on to the next product. Since these days I have been creating some eye looks which need some precise work and I need to clean them. So wet wipes doesn't do that precise work, or it takes off the eyeshadow from the parts I don't want it to. So I was lagging on the eye verts, eye swabs, whatever you call it. So I've ordered this from Tulips Paper Stick Cotton Swabs. It costed me around 114 or something, and its MRP is 120, barely any difference on sale. So yeah, now we will be able to use it and do the looks much better. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using these again. Okay, moving on to the next product. It's from Garnier. It's Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water and Oil. So I had one bottle, I have almost finished it, so I've restocked it again. So I really needed this one. So this is a restock product. So as it is a restock of such a huge bottle, you can definitely tell how good this product is from Garnier. So yeah, that is it. And also guys, because of the Garnier product, I have got this freebie. It's Garnier Bright Complete Booster Serum. That is it for the Nykaa Pink Hot Sale. So I haven't bought anything really premium or anything that I don't wanted. I haven't gone all out by seeing the offers on sale. I have just restocked the products that I really needed. So if you guys also want to restock, the sale has been extended. You can definitely opt for the products that you just need. So these are the products that I got from Nykaa Hot Pink sale. So let me know for which product you want any sort of review. I would love to do that. And if you like this video, make sure you like this video and comment down below and share this video with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Till then, thank you for watching. Bye bye.